So you pay only this amount. Friends, in today's video, I'll show you how to open sole proprietorship in Quebec. And to do this, just below this video in the description, here is the link which you see here. Once you go down and click on this link, you will come to this page. And you see here, by clicking, you get a 15% discount at the time of checkout. So make sure to use the link to get this discount. And once you come here, click on Get Started. And here, tell us about your business. Select New. And my company is located in, go to Quebec. Click Next. You come to this Compare Your Option. Here, if you don't know what the difference between incorporation or sole proprietorship is, here is the summary. So for today's video, I'm showing you sole proprietorship. Select here about your company. The name has to be in French and the requirement is it should be in French, must contain a distinctive element and a descriptive element. So I will write the name of my company in French. So once I write the name, it shows confirmed. If it is not satisfied, you will get an notification here that, there is some issue. So unless you get this, you will not be able to go to the next page. So once this is done, click Next, which will get me to the sign up page. Okay. So here, first name, last name, email and password. You enter that. I click Sign Up. We come to this page and here you can see company name is shown. And then we start filling the account information. First thing is phone number, then followed by name as it appears on government ID. So make sure you write the name exactly how it is in the government ID. Then you have a prefix, not many options, only 2 options here. So choose the prefix and then the date of birth. Okay. So once that is entered, come to the address part where you enter the address and the address has to be in Quebec province. Then in case both personal and the office address is same, you keep this. Otherwise, once you deselect, you will be asked to fill in the office detail. Okay, so I'm keeping as it is here. And then I am a Canadian resident, which basically is citizen and permanent resident who ordinarily reside in Canada. You have read more section where you can go and learn more about this. Okay. So once this is done, you click Next. Now we are on the Quebec Enterprise number page. Here you have option. I have an existing business or I don't have an existing business. So choose your option and then click Next. Now on the business information page, my company will be a sole proprietorship based in Quebec. And then the address, again, check, recheck, cross-check. My company will operate in, once you click here, okay, only 2 options are shown, but as you start typing, you will get the drop down. So choose the closest business, whichever you think you are into. In my case, I am into consulting. So as I am writing consulting, there are options which I am shown and I choose the closest to which I am. And then you enter the number of employees, whatever you have or you don't have. And then I operate a tobacco retail outlet. I provide artificial tanning service. If you are into any one of them, you will have to click here. If not, just leave it as it is and then click Next. Now here for the name confirmation, there is a government requirement for the compliance which we talked about earlier. And here the example is also given. Okay. And once the name is written, here you will have to describe your company's name, specifically any person name, place, acronym, and created word. If you have that, you will have to give a detailed explanation here. In my case, I will be saying things about the cyber security consultation, what I do, and how my clientele are. So that entry is made, and then come down and click next. Now we come to the payment part. You see here for sole proprietorship, this is $49, which is a one-time fee. You get unlimited business name searches, business registration number, business registration documents, business document storage, and there are some owner's perk, which we will see in the next slide, and then chat support. And in case you instantly open RBC bank account, then you save additional $49. So let's go to the next page. So this is the billing information page, and you see government registration is free. Owner registration fee is $49, and RBC bank account gives you a discount of $49. So you pay only this amount. In case you don't want RBC bank account, then you see this changes to $56.34. So I'll keep it as it is. By clicking next, you agree to open an RBC bank account within 60 days of payment. If you do not open the account, the discount will not apply on your credit card, and it will be charged the remaining $49. So you can read the terms here and then click next. Now enter the credit card detail, and once everything is done, you click pay now. And once that is done, you get the document for final review before it is submitted. And after that, just relax, sit back and relax. Owner will do rest of the work. And when your sole proprietorship becomes active, they will send you notification. And with that, you will be able to start your business activity. Now, in case your business require any permit and licensing, you'll have to keep that in mind. I have made a separate video for that. You can go and check that. And with that, that's it, guys. I hope you found this video useful. Please do use the comment section to let me know. And like always, thanks for watching.